Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, guys. In this video, I will show you how Glambase works. I will also show you how you can use it to create your AI companion and monetize your interactions. So, it is time to launch your AI influencers on Glambase and see how they engage and monetize your audiences with personalized interactions. Without any waste of time, let's dive into the video. The first question that might come to mind is, how does Glambase actually work? To answer that, let me guide you through the key steps you'll need to take in order to create your own unique AI influencer. Step 1. Design your character. Glambase offers a vast selection of customizable physical attributes and personality traits, allowing you to craft a digital persona that truly stands out. You can fine-tune everything from facial features and hairstyle to voice and expressions, ensuring your AI influencer has a distinctive look and feel. Step 2. Once your AI influencer is designed, it's time to bring them to life through content creation. Glambase provides intuitive, user-friendly tools that allow you to effortlessly generate high-quality posts, images, and even videos. Whether you're crafting social media updates, promotional content, or interactive media, the platform ensures a seamless and straightforward experience with no steep learning curve. Step 3. The next step will allow you to let your AI influencer work for you. Make money while doing nothing. They can chat, engage, and sell exclusive content around the clock, even when you're offline, helping you generate revenue effortlessly. Step 4. Now that your AI influencer is up and running, it's time to expand their reach and build a strong following. Share their content across social media platforms, online communities, and niche forums where potential fans and followers are most active. Your digital persona can attract attention, spark conversations, and grow a loyal fan base. Keep track of your AI influencer's success with Glambase's easy-to-use dashboard, which provides real-time analytics on engagement and revenue. Glambase stands out as the ultimate platform for creating, managing, and monetizing AI influencers. Here's what makes it a top choice: high-quality AI models. Leverage cutting-edge language and image generation technologies to create hyper-realistic digital personas that engage audiences effortlessly. Monetization dashboard. Stay on top of your earnings with a detailed analytics dashboard that tracks performance, revenue streams, and engagement metrics in real time. Exclusive discounts on future upgrades. Enjoy reduced pricing on future upgrades, making it easier to enhance and expand your AI influencer's capabilities without breaking the bank. With these powerful features, Glambase offers a seamless, profitable, and innovative way to build and grow your AI influencer.